Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to download and install Among Us on PC, and this method is going to be working in 2023 and even in 2024. So if you are looking for Among Us, which was a game really popular back in 2021, I think the game really trended a lot, and it is even a really exciting game to play with your friends. So to download it, what you can do is simply head over to Steam. By the way, there are two different methods that you can use to download Among Us. So this is going to be the first one. Head over to Steam and search in here for Among Us, and once you do, you will be able to see that we are showing up with some results. So yeah, let me just head back and search for Among Us so I can show you. Okay, so I typed in here Among Us, and here at the very top you can see we have the game itself, and simply click on add to cart, and using this you can download the game officially. So it is going to be 100% genuine way to download the game. As well, if you want to download it from Epic Games, which is another amazing gaming platform, you can simply search in here for Among Us, and once you do, you can see the game is showing up. It is saying Among Us contains content that is unrated and may not be appropriate for some ages. Click on continue. Okay, so here you can see the game is also available. So yeah, you can click on um, add to library. I currently have already purchased the game, so you can see in my library it is going to be showing up here. As you can see, I can download it and install it as well. So that's a pretty simple method how you can download the game. I really hope you understood it and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share with the friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. And as well, tell us about what video you want to see upcoming on our channel. Thank you again.